Still a little hot out there, especially in the upper valley. Temperatures have been in the 90s nearly everywhere today, even hotter in Starr County. It's still 101 in Rio Grande City, 95 in McAllen and Edinburgh, and it's dropped below 90 now in most of the lower valley, where it's down to 86 in Brownsville. But temperatures tomorrow feeling a lot better if you like the cooler spring weather, not jumping right into summer. But temperatures will be cooling off for a few days here. 98 right now in Laredo, 95 in Falfurrias, and to the north. Temperatures are chilly in North Texas. Feels like winter there, 39 in Amarillo. And there's the cold front. Don't expect this cold front to take this 39 and drag it down here. That's not happening. But the cold weather, the really cold stuff here is kind of going more to the east, and just a little cooler weather is coming our way, but with a good drop in the humidity tomorrow as well. So it will be feeling much different tomorrow. Temperatures mostly in the 80s. You see highs tomorrow expected to be in mostly the mid to upper 80s in Starr County, about 88 in Roma, around 86 in Edinburgh, and lower valley locations mostly in the low to mid 80s with 70s right along the coast. But the breezes will be picking up tomorrow behind the front in the morning and with us through the afternoon. In fact, it will be pretty gusty at the coast. If you're at the island, some gusty winds there tomorrow during the day as well. Your day planner for tomorrow, a lot of sunshine comes back, but unlike today, it's not bringing the hottest of temperatures. So 60s mainly in the morning. Now at 8 a.m. the front still might not be quite through the valley, so ahead of the front it could still be in the 70s, maybe near the coast, and maybe a little cooler than this in Starr County. But everyone gets in on the cooler weather sometime early in the morning, just near or after sunrise, and then the breezes pick up. Temperatures kind of hold in the 80s tomorrow with low humidity, and eventually the winds die off in the evening. So future track shows tonight, midnight, mainly clear, but the clouds could thicken up some tonight with all the humidity in the air. Then the cold front comes in around sunrise tomorrow. You see the map shows at about 7 a.m. it's cruising through the valley. Behind the front, it gets breezy, cooler. Cooler is a relative term. We'll be, instead of way above average, we'll be back close to an average high tomorrow in the low to mid 80s. But the winds kind of gusty at times from the north and northwest. And like I said, we'll be exceptionally gusty at the coast for a while tomorrow during the day. And then sunshine sticks around. The sun sets tomorrow evening on a clear and cool night. Tomorrow night looks to be maybe the coolest night of the week. We could dip into the 50s nearly everywhere across the valley for Thursday morning. But then Thursday, sun comes back and temperatures warm back mainly into the low 80s for highs, with the humidity still down Thursday and even going into Friday coming up until it goes up for the weekend. Once again, look at the winds. You see the little ends all meaning from the north tomorrow. The northerly winds could be a little gusty. The speed's about 15 to 20, 25 miles per hour, and throw in some higher gusts, maybe around 30 to 35, maybe almost 40 miles per hour at the coast, where the winds will be the strongest. So winds strongest through about 4 or 5 p.m. and then they really drop off tomorrow evening. So again, at the coast, if you're planning on going there, it's pretty quiet right now, but the winds you see will be picking up tomorrow. You see the gusts increase in the morning behind the front. It shows about 28 miles per hour with temperatures holding in the 70s all day, and the winds could gust higher than that to about maybe 35 to 40 miles per hour or so during the day. So again, very gusty on the waters and near the coast. Water temperatures in the 70s, and there is a gale watch in effect at the coast tomorrow too. Low tide in the morning at 4:49, high tide at 1:51 in the afternoon. So first 1-5 forecast tonight, mostly clear this evening, but there could be some clouds late tonight as the winds kind of decrease and the humidity increases. Lows could still be in the 70s near the coast, and then tomorrow temperatures back up to around 84 with sunshine. Humidity stays down. Winds though kind of gusty through the afternoon hours. And your first 1-5 70 forecast, temperatures will be back, don't worry, they'll be in the 90s sooner or later, but at least the next few days, highs mainly in the 80s. Look at that, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, low to mid 80s over most of the valley, with low temperatures dropping down into the 50s across the area. So Thursday and Friday mornings look cool, but then look, the heat tries to come back for the weekend. It could be rather windy to finish the weekend, and then it stays hot, but rain could appear late next week. So we'll continue to track that in your first 1-5 forecast coming up. Let's track some sports with Joel.